So today we are going to present a new project called Warfield Robot or Warfield Spying Robot. So what its work is, while in the Warfield it will spy or for the surveillance against the opponents. So here we are using basic models to represent the Warfield robot like ESP32 cam used for video streaming and surveillance, and Arduino Nano for the microcontroller and entire operation. Then we are using the batteries, 3.7 volts batteries bank. Then to drive the robot we'll have gear motors, and inside we'll have L293D driver. So here this is H05 Bluetooth module for the data communication, and also a metal detection sensor to alert any bombs or grenades placed in the warfield. Then this is being controlled using an app called serial terminal or serial Bluetooth terminal. So here we have programmed for M1, M2, M3 in order to drive the vehicle forward and backward and rotations. So let's see the demonstration. So first M1 and brake, M2 and brake. So M1. So here the vehicle will be controlled using the serial Bluetooth commands, and for forward and brake. Now in order for the video transmission, so you see the video and started streaming. Now you see, so as the bot is under surveillance, so it is covering the